guys, it's here. It's the Halo Mega Bloks Red Team Hornet pack. It also comes with a Jackal Sniper Tower. This does not come with it. This is something I just added. Alright, first let's do the Hornet. Alright, let's put this aside. See if I can put it somewhere. Alright, so my main thing is that this guy is super rare. He's the only red Hayabusa that there is in like all of the Halo Mega Bloks thing. So he's really cool, and he doesn't come with an assault rifle. It comes with like samurai sword thing. I just put an assault rifle on him. It also comes with a pilot, which is really cool. Comes with a pistol, Magnum actually. I like him because he's like, you don't really see these in packs all the time. And unlike the normal Hornet, like the old one, this one slides, doesn't pop up, and it's way easier to close. These spin 360. Oh, that's not good. These spin 360. Let's see. These little stickers here, I just got them from the UFC Warhog pack. It's really nice. That's pretty much it. So this flaps, they can move. The chain gun keeps on spinning. It's really cool. My favorite thing is that it's red. It's really awesome. It's a nice finish. Alright, let's do the sniper tower. Oops, that's not good. Yeah, these side things might fall off all the time. This one just fell off here. Now, you're going to start seeing a lot of textbooks on my desk, like these little textbooks all the time. Because I had just moved into Glades Middle School about a month ago. So, it's got a lot of clutter now. Let's see. This sniper tower is not much to it. It's a normal sniper tower. Comes with a Jackal with a red shield. This is really awesome. Like I said before, this doesn't come with it. And I modified it so it doesn't look like, you know, these things, like they're supposed to have these little things here. There's supposed to be some upside down one of these here. It's not much to it. What I don't really like is that there's no little, like a door here or something like that. It'd be cool to like send the guy up or something, or like a little pop-up elevator. But there's a hole there, so if you're gonna do a video, you should just like do it body part by body part, like stick his head out, then his body, and his legs and stuff. Alright, so that's pretty much it. Thanks guys for watching. Stay tuned next week for the UNSC Mongoose pack. It's not really much to it, but you know, I'd like to do a review on it. Thanks for watching. Bye.